Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Shilllock window contact switch. It's not only for the cooker hood, okay? Really. It is a wireless exhaust control system with, for example, with window, magnetic switch and radio socket. This door contact switch is for example, lightning control, and it comes in a white color. Whoa, we make our life easier with this Windows contact switch. For example, cooker hoods. With this wireless exhaust control, we can activate the ventilation of our cooker hood easily and conveniently by simply opening our window. That's a really cool thing. In focus, if you like to have a dark room, for example, and you have the switch, the manual switch, maybe on the other side, okay? And in this case, you can install this on the door itself. If you open the door, it will switch on a light source, for example. And this gives you, while the door is open, the time to go to the manual switch to switch on the light, for example, or other things. You can use it if there is the door will be open, and you can attach on this socket. You can attach alert, for example. Alert will show you that there comes a customer for something or anything else. It's really cool because it is not, it is smart, but it's not smart with Wi-Fi smart, okay? This is the mechanical smart version of a smart plug. Really cool. It's a cool system, I think. We save energy for our home window contact switch for a cooker hood, for example. With this Windows contact switch, the ventilation system of our cooker hood, for example, only works when our window is open. This helps to reduce the energy consumption and save money on our electricity bills. And it's really super easy to install this, as you can see in that video here. I installed this in a minute, and you can use it directly because it is plug and play, okay? We don't need to do anything. We just place the transmitter and the receiver correctly, and it works immediately without installing any app, or we does not need an account, we does not need a Wi-Fi network nearly, we does need nothing. We only need this switch, this contact switch system, and we will need a power source for it, for the socket, for the switch. Really cool. Super easy installation. The switch for a cooker hood, for example, the magnetic transmitter has been developed for easy installation. It can be quickly and easy attached to our window frame or door with the help of the included self-adhesive strips. Of course, you can use the screws to mount it to your window too. And of course, you can use a lever which is outside, so you can easily set this to another position. That means you can make the switch so that if it is closed, it will enable or disable. Okay, you can switch this. Really cool. And it is widely used window contact switch cooker hood, for example. A window contact switch can be used in different types of devices and applications. We can use it for controlling access systems, fans, air conditioners, heaters, garage lights, security lights, and other equipment. And the cool thing is, it is compatible with the standard power supply network. Really cool. That's a really cool mechanical smart installation. This is the Shilllock window contact switch. Thanks for watching. Hey, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.